Giant Spider! Did you guys miss me? It's been a while ever since I've been on an episode of VHS Reaction because the last VHS Reaction I was on was Spider-Man Far From Home, my best movie ever. And today I decided to make a cameo in this episode, meaning I will not be in this episode, but I just wanted to show my face because I don't know if you missed me ever since the Spider-Man Far From Home VHS Reaction. Translation: he's not going to be in this episode, but I am, everybody. Hello, everybody. This is Mario here. And today we're going to do a VHS reaction on a crappy movie. And yes, he is right. We're going to do a VHS reaction on a crappy movie. Today we're going to do the VHS reaction on Thomas and the Magic Railroad, which eventually, I'm assuming that this movie had a buttload of negative reviews on it, just like Cars 2. So yeah, mostly, I don't know why I bought this movie. I mean, it's probably because of my childhood. But basically, I was a little bit of a spoiled child back then. You were, Cameraman? Yeah, I was technically spoiled. When I see something, I want it. That happened for a few years until I grew out of my childhood. Now I'm officially a man who's not spoiled at all. The things that I want, it can wait. Like, for an example, what's a perfect the whole entire Cinderella trilogy. I want that, but I have the first one. I don't have the second one or the third one. If I did have it, well, I used to have the third one, but eventually that got given away. However, I was a spoiled child back then. We should have known that now. Alright, Cameraman, you could do the honors and put the tape in. DVD. It's a DVD opening, not a video cassette opening. So is there anybody else that's gonna join in this episode? I'm not sure though, Mario. Whoa. That's really cool. And you thought we were going to be scared of that, but no. We're grown out of Paramount DVD. Wait, is that it? That's it? Nope. Wait, what do you mean no? Look. Oh, I totally forgot about that. Sorry, so we're going to do all these. So let's get ready. We'll start with... Wait, why is there Thomas and the Magic Railroad trailer and Thomas and the Magic Railroad? Doesn't that sound stupid to you? Literally, it is. So, let's say we get this over with, starting with Thomas and the Magic Railroad. Alright. Okay, let's do this.
He fired the imagination of millions around the world.
Millions, huh?
Now, he's headed for the big screen in his very first movie. Thomas, the Tank Engine. Who else were you expecting?
I don't know, someone else who resembles a train.
Our passport to Thomas and the Magic Railroad.
What a crappy movie!
Important day, Mr. Singh. It is a very important day. But something has gone wrong.
Hello? Junior, you've got to come here right away.
The sparkle has left the land.
I've run out of gold dust, and because of that, I'm losing my energy as well. Just hold on, guys.
And it will take a hero with nerves of steel
Don't worry, I'm on my way.
to bring the magic back.
I'm surprised he actually survived that bridge scene. But not him. You better hang on for dear life.
You're invited to unwind.
This is just like the fun fair.
Really? Ooh.
I don't think you meant to do that. No.
And experience life on the fast track.
Losing your sparkle, eh? What perfect timing.
Alec Baldwin.
Really?
And more gold dust.
Peter Fonda.
This is your shining time to...
Mara Wilson.
You're a really useful engine, Thomas.
And Thomas.
Ooh, nice timing. Ooh,
I call a perfect landing.
Thomas.
I call that perfect timing.
This summer, share the wonder with your family.
I'll save a seat for you.
Good luck. What if someone tries to take it? Anyway, that's the worst movie ever. Why would they even make a live-action Thomas and Friends movie? They should have just stuck with the 3D models of the conductors and some top of hat. Why would they even make a crappy movie of this anyway? Well, maybe they'll try again. Look at the brand new, newly modeled Thomas and Friends. Now they're moving their faces, and they have 3D animated people.
Are you all nuts? It's a mouse.
He's too short.
Well, that's just not everybody, except for
Cat and mouse.
we do not eat family members.
Mousetrap was my favorite game.
Can pass gravy.
He's not big enough to pass gas.
Oh, really? Well, who's to blame?
A mouse with a pet cat.
You realize that that's goldfish?
You tell me. That's like to rub it from the inside.
He pissed him off.
Is easier
Okay, Mom.
than feeling at home.
Damn.
I feel an empty space inside me. I just want to know what was there before.
Tell it to that.
Down here. We're looking for Stuart. Where are his parents? Stuart can't leave with you. He's one of the family. There's something you'll never be able to give me. Because you're human. No offense.
No offense because you're human. That's kind of racist, don't you think?
For anyone,
Yeah, I think it is kind of racist.
Not really sure I want a brother.
How about a friend?
I guess I can always use friends.
finding their way. Stuart Little gets scratched tonight. You must be Stuart.
No, but I'll get him for him.
He is Stewart, but he's using that as a getaway plan. Ooh! I wonder how they use those animals for real. Like for instance, you see live action movies about animals, and they have real animals on there, but they use computer CGI to make them move their lips and talk. They do that in every single movie involving a pet. They fully train them too. Like for instance, Hotel for Dogs. There were a whole lot of pets in that movie. A whole lot of dogs to be exact here. They do that in all movies involving pets. I'm not joking when I say that, people. That root beer was good.
In an old house in Paris that was covered with vines.
Come on, girls, let's go.
It's really noticeable too. Covered with vines. It's noticeable. Look at that.
And the smallest one was
It's a mouse. I'm not afraid of mice.
Isn't he even? But isn't he dead? Isn't that mouse dead or alive?
Was it scary? They cut a 3-inch hole in me.
but her life
She's taller.
was becoming complicated. I'm closing the school down. The girls will find another school to attend.
Wednesday right.
Really?
Don't get any ideas, Madeline.
Now, with the help of a special friend,
This boy's got charisma.
she'll prove the bigger the problem,
We're dead meat.
Beware.
Vegetarians.
the smaller the solution.
Whoa. I love puppets. How do they do that though? Uh-oh. See, every single movie involving pets, they train the animal to be an expert.
Academy Award winner Frances McDormand.
You're giving me gray hair.
Can I see?
Academy Award nominee Nigel Hawthorne.
Hello?
Oh, I almost thought that was William Hurt for a second.
And introducing Hattie Jones as Madeline.
Well, she's already grown out. Ooh, perfect timing. I kind of did see that coming, Cameraman. Literally. Yeah. Not sure if we have time for all those other ones because we're running out of time. So we'll do 2 more. I hope we have time for another few. If we don't, that's okay. It's my fault for playing the Thomas and the Magic Railroad trailer.
Get ready for Elmo's first movie.
Wow, what a great blanket. It's Elmo's best buddy in the whole world.
Elmo's best friend is in trouble. And rescuing him will be
Cough, cough, blanket.
the honor of a lifetime.
Boom.
Elmo doesn't think he's on Sesame Street anymore.
Yeah, you travel to a parallel universe.
Place where you can kick off your shoes and smell your stinky feet.
Now Elmo's landed in a mixed-up world.
That's disgusting. And delicious.
Where dirty,
That makes me want to throw up.
everyone's a grouch.
Huxley's house on the top of Mount Pickanoes. That's where your blanket is. Will someone help Elmo get his blanket back?
It's against the law to ask for help in Grouchland.
Yeah, they don't need any help. They could do stuff on their own.
And Children's Television Workshop invite you to discover how sometimes losing an old
No matter how nice Elmo's being to the Grouches in Grouchland, it's still illegal to ask help.
What chutzpah!
Mandy Patinkin,
That's his name.
Vanessa Williams, and the whole Sesame Street gang. The Adventures of Elmo in Grouchland.
Now come on, Bert, let's go find out what happens to Elmo. Okay, quick. Honey, problem. This way, Bert.
Coming soon. It's now available. Genius. We have media. You ever heard of that? Okay, but we'll do one more just to be on the safe side. Because I don't know if the videos that are premiering right now can last up to 15 minutes plus. So we'll do one more.
Welcome to a house where the normal routine
Good morning, everyone. The raspberry flappers will be out in a moment.
is anything but.
The kitchen is closed.
Kitchen is closed for maintenance.
The Muppets are back. They all have their place in the world. Except for Gonzo.
I've always wondered where I came from, who I am.
Hey, guys, don't you think you ought to take a little break? You're starting to freak out the neighbors.
Now he's about to find out he's not alone.
Oh no. Don't touch him.
People of Earth, do not be alarmed.
This summer, get ready for alien contact.
So come here, my Captain Alphabet is sending me a message. Are you there?
Well, you sure didn't say, are you nuts?
Close
Literally.
and other shocking moments.
I should pretend that
Yeah, you should. You're embarrassing yourself. Run! He's getting accused for something he didn't even do.
Columbia Pictures and Jim Henson Pictures
Now, who wouldn't put too much gunpowder in the cannon?
take you where no Muppet has gone before.
This is my story.
What an unlucky catch. And he survived. I tried to raise my hands in the air, but I can't.
No nostrils. How do you smell?
awful. Trust me, I'm his roommate.
Literally. Okay, guys, so that wraps it up. We don't have time for the other preview. And that was the VHS reaction to Thomas and the Magic Railroad. Until next time, this is Mario and the Cameraman signing you off.